In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this math question using our first using this 84 plus CV addition scientific calculator. Okay, so let's get started. The question is under factorization. So it says which expression is equivalent to what we have here. Okay, now let me show you can do this manually and verify the answer of the calculator, right? So this is a question. If you are factorizing what you have here, so it's going to be have 6xy. Okay, yeah, we are going to have 6xy. Okay, 6x square y square in brackets. So what we're going to have here now would be x to the power 6. Okay, then you're going to have plus, then here you're going to have 2. So this will be the answer. When you multiply what we have outside, what we have inside, you get back to this expression. Okay, so this is basically the answer to this question. The right answer is option C, right? But let's verify what we just solved in the calculator and see if we're going to get the same value. So this is a 84 plus CV addition. The very first thing to do will be to reset. Press second, then this plus button for the instruction, press 7 to reset all, then press 1 for all 1, press 2 and it reset. You're good to go. So right now I'm going to store x and y as values on the calculator, of which I'm going to work with 2, and I recommend 2 to be on the safer side. 2 works in most cases. So let's store 2 as x. To store value on the calculator, you press the number 2. You want to store it as x, press the store button. So to bring out x, press the button, press enter. 2 will be stored as x. Okay, let's store 2 as y as well. So press 2, press store, then to bring out the y alphabet, you press alpha and this one button to come out, press enter. So both x and y are stored as 2 on this calculator. We're good to go. So let's use this stored value to evaluate or simplify the question. So let's represent this question on the calculator. So we have 6x square. Okay, sorry, that's 6. Let's start from the beginning. We have, let's clear everything. So we have 6x to the power 8. So you make use of this button for power. So power 8 come down. We have y, press alpha and this one button, y will come out. Okay, to the power 2, that's y square. Yeah, we have plus 12. Okay, x, press this button for x square. This is square, y square alpha and this button. So this is for square. So that's it, right? This is what we have here. Let's press enter equal to see the output. We have 6336. So right now we're going to simplify option C with the same store value for x and y, and see if we're going to have 6336. And if we get it, that would be a proof that this solution is indeed correct. Okay, so remember I have 6336 here. So let's check option C. So we have 6, okay, x square. Okay, we have y square in brackets. We have x to the power 6. You come down plus 2. So that's it. Close the bracket. Let's press enter and see we're going to have 6336 there, but that was what it cost, right? Let's press the enter button to check this. Exactly 6336. So right answer is option C. So guys, this is basically I can do problems involving factorization like this with the T84 plus CV addition scientific calculator. In second, for multiple choice questions and SAT, both the manual and calculator method are easier. So anyone you feel like using, you are free to use. Okay, so let's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel, you should subscribe to this by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Like, share and comment on this video, Then I teach what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the HTML membership by clicking on the join button, getting premium information how to solve other similar short maths questions like this. Alright, so having done this, click on the next button, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to reset once you're done. Very important, press second, then this plus button for the instruction, press 7 to reset, press 1 for hour, press 2, and it will reset. Good to go. So that's it. Thanks for watching.